Hi, today we're going to be talking about lattice energy again, and this time with a real example from one of the released AP exams, I think. So this is our question over here, and we're given a table and telling us that lattice energy for this one is higher than the lattice energy for SrOH2, and they're asking to us for us to explain why. Okay, so let's look at this first. We have MgOH2 compared to SrOH2. Now, if you remember in the previous video, we talked about how the bigger the charge, the stronger the lattice energy. The bigger the distance, the weaker the lattice energy. Now, these two are obviously equal charge, so we're going to have to look at the distance. Mg is number 12 on the periodic table. You have the small atomic radius. Sr is number 38. You have a big atomic radius. That means you have Sr over here and Mg over here. Now, we're going to assume this is OH2. This is also OH2. Now, which of these has bigger distance in between them? Obviously, this one. So this one will have the smaller lattice energy, as we can see over here. So now we're going to explain it in words. So first things first, the question asks for explain why in terms of periodic properties and Coulomb's law. Alright. Strontium cation Sr2+ is larger than magnesium cation. In fact, we shouldn't say larger. Has a bigger atomic radius than magnesium cation, which is Mg2+. That is because that is Sr2+ has 4 energy, whereas Mg2+ only has 2 energy levels. That means Sr2+ will have more electron shielding, preventing the outermost electrons from the full force of the nucleus, resulting in a larger atomic radius. When dealing with lattice energy, when the charges are equal, the compound with more distance in between the ions will result in a smaller lattice energy. Sr2+ is much larger than Mg2+. This means it has smaller lattice energy. This is proven by the graph above, where MgOH2 had 2900 kJ per mole of lattice energy, when SrOH2 only had 2300 kJ per mole of lattice energy. Alright, I might have wrote in a bit too much, but this is the idea of how your AP answer should look like. We're going to do more problems like these when we get to the final review, which is after we learn all the units. But yeah, AP answers are going to be very complicated, and the testers are going to be very picky on your answers. They're going to see that you have to define electron shielding. I have to write this line of sentence to prove to them I know what electron shielding is. If I didn't have this sentence, they'll just assume I just inserted a random vocab word in there without knowing what it means. So, yep, thank you for watching.